Okay, so I have finished my face and I am really obsessed with this eye look. I absolutely love it. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is all about educational beauty. Today's video is all about how to create a smoked winged eyeliner look, and you're gonna love it because I fell in love with this look when I created it and the products I used. And it's super easy for you guys to recreate, so I can't wait for you guys to try it. Now, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Don't forget to come say hi over on Instagram too. So let's jump straight into the video. Hello guys, we are going to be creating a smoky winged eyeliner look, and I've been really excited about this look because it's actually one of my favorite types of looks. I've been wearing this look, well actually I used to wear it a lot more when I was a little bit younger. You know, you just go through phases. But I have come across some pencils which I am loving right now, and they are perfect for this because I tell you which pencil I used to use quite a lot for this type of look. I used to use the Marc Jacobs Highliner pencil. I still love it, but I found these and they're better. No joke, they are better because with the Marc Jacobs pencils, they're great because once you put them on, that's it, they're not going anywhere. But when it comes to blending, it can be a little bit tricky, you know, if you don't have much experience. I am going to be creating a really nice smoky eyeliner look for you, and we are going to start off. Now, I don't have any eye makeup on at all. I only have my foundation, brows and lips done, so I don't have any eye makeup, and I am going to start with this. So let's get started. This is the Hourglass waterproof gel eyeliner. This shade that I'm using is Chestnut, so I'm going to be adding a few different colors, but it's just to give it more depth. Now you want to get a brush ready to use with this. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Eye Smudger brush, so I've got that ready in one hand and I've got my pencil ready in the other. Now I'm going to be applying this as a kind of liner, and then we're going to start blending it kind of bit by bit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it right from the inner corner, draw a line, and I'm going to go to the end but leave a little bit of a gap at the end. Okay, so don't take it all the way to the end of the lash line, just leave a tiny gap, and I'll explain why after, because we want it to be winged and we want it to like be lifting, so we don't want to kind of take it all the way down. Okay, so let's start. So I am going to just get a mirror because I feel like I'm just, the mirror is so far from me right now. So I'm just going to draw the pencil in. Don't worry about it being neat or anything. We want to make sure that it's thick enough so that it can create a really nice kind of smoked look. Go really close to the lash line. You can make it as thick as you want. I've left a gap at the end. There you go. I'm going to take my brush, and now this is where I'm going to buff it in like that. And we're going right over the edges. I absolutely love this color. It's so nice. It has this like really nice red undertone to it. How nice is that? Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add the wing. Now you've got to blend quick because obviously it will dry a little bit, but that's what makes it waterproof and ensures that it doesn't kind of go anywhere. Now what we're going to do you see how we didn't actually apply it to the end, but when we've blended it's gone to the end a little bit. So imagine where it would have gone if you have taken it to the end. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to create a lift. I'm going to create a little wing here, but we're not making it too long, but I'm taking it upwards. Can you see how it's going up very quickly? We are going to buff this wing. Now it's going to end up going longer when we start blending it, so that's why I don't want to make it too kind of like, I don't want to take it too far out initially. Okay, so we've got that nice lift there, but I do want to kind of like add some more. So this isn't even really neat, but I just want that depth there. Okay, I'm really happy with how that is kind of like lifting up at the end. I'm really happy with that. See, that's the benefit of taking it slow, doing very small movements, and you'll get a really amazing finish. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna do the underside of the eye. So I'm gonna get my brush ready. I'm gonna do this section by section now because I really wanna make the blending easy. So I'm gonna go really close to my lash line here, right into my lash line. Can you see that little line that I've done? And then we're going to take this brush and I'm going to like, again, like that. We're going to like connect that to the wing. I don't know if I will use a few different colors for this, you know, because I feel like with this, I'm getting that depth where you initially apply the eyeliner and then where it starts blending out. So let me just add a little line here. You see that? This is just going to help it to connect a bit better. So let's get the, I like to call it the shell. Let's get the shell done and then we can move inwards a little bit afterwards. So okay, we're going to apply this here now. So just moving along bit by bit. Now I'm going to start doing this side to side because I don't really want to take it any lower. I just want to get that nice kind of reddish tone there. And I want to make sure that the colour looks like it's fading out into the skin. There you go. Okay, can you see how we've got our shell? Right, so it's going all the way around the upper lash line and the lower lash line, and we've got that really nice wing there. Now what I want to do is I want to give more depth to the actual lash line, but not all the way around because I feel like that's a bit obvious, so I just want to change it up. Now what I'm going to do is apply some more of this product kind of like here, the top section of my lash line, or kind of into my lash line here, into my lash line here, and also here and here. So this center section is kind of left a little bit more bare. So there's going to be more depth around here and here. And you can do it all the way across if you want. It's completely up to you, but this is just something that I want to do for this type of look. Get the brush and I'm just going to blend. Okay, I'm going to do it here now. We'll do the top section first. And I'm going to take it into the waterline here as well. See, we've got more depth there now. It's not just like one color all the way across. So it's darker in certain areas and then it like goes into this really nice, almost like a cherry color. Wow, I love this color. Sometimes I like to just bring that inner corner in a little bit because if it goes down a little, it just gives me that really nice elongated almond shaped eye. Now I thought I'd probably have to use black, so use another color to give me that depth, but this eye pencil is so good that you can get that depth, you can get that really deep chestnut kind of, I would say it's more cherry. You can get that really nice deep, almost like a black forest gateau color. And then you get that kind of really nice cherry color as it fades out. I absolutely love this. Like, I'm obsessed, and I'm wondering, do I put lashes on with this or not? I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna see. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stick to this one pencil. I was gonna maybe see if I need to use a couple, but actually I really like this as it is. Okay, let's get that line on here. I'm gonna do this bit by bit because I just wanna show you like how to do it bit by bit, so you know how to do it. If you draw the line initially straight away, I want to show you if you split it up, because if you take longer with blending, then it's better if you split this up, because otherwise it will dry pretty quick. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna apply lashes. Sometimes I feel like I've done the right thing by not applying lashes because it really shows the eye look. But then sometimes I find that when I do apply it, it just elevates it. It like takes it to a different level. I wanna elevate it. Let's get my lashes in Nina, and I'm getting my lash glue. Just gonna apply a little bit onto the strip. The glue that I use is the Huda Beauty Black Lash Glue. Put a little bit of mascara on. This is the Fenty Full Frontal. So you can kind of see what it looks like just with mascara, but I really do want that kind of like full lash look. Okay, so I'm going to apply my lashes. I'm just going to apply this basically like near the end. So I want that nice lift. I don't want like a full lash look, like as in all the way across. Okay, let's go in with a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, I am just going to kind of like sculpt my face because I don't have any kind of bronzer on. So let's just get that done quickly and then we can see what this all looks like. I'm using my Fenty Sunstalker in Private Island. And this is my Hourglass Ambient Edit lighting brush. Okay, so I have finished my face and I am really obsessed with this eye look. I absolutely love it. What do you guys think? By the way, you can use different kind of eye colors for this. You don't have to use the colors that I've used. I also didn't want to make it boring and just use black. So I thought, you know, let's use something different. And I absolutely love this shade. It's called Chestnut, but I feel like it's giving me kind of Black Forest Gâteau cherry vibes. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving it because when you come close up, then you'll see that you can really see that kind of cherry color kind of blended out. I am loving this look. I really do hope that you've enjoyed this too. And if you do try this, make sure you do tag me so that I can see what you've recreated. I really do hope that you've enjoyed this video and that I have managed to show you how easy it is to create a kind of smoked winged eyeliner look. Any comments, let me know in the comments box below, and don't forget all the products listed in my description box below. As always, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Until the next time, take care and I'll see you soon.